to my channel. You see here I have my little rod friends right here. I had to put my hair, my little leave out sections in these little rods, so you know my hair doesn't be disrespectful, because you know when you're a natural girl and you got humidity outside, you know they're not really friends, so you know gotta tame it a little bit. But back to the intro. So this video is going to be all about how I achieve my colored eyebrows. Obviously these are not colored right now, these are black. I actually am going to be doing red eyebrows, since you know your girl got red hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that because I've had requests, and you know I need to make sure that I'm doing all the videos that my viewers are asking. So let's get straight into it. Alright you guys, so we're starting with our Absolute New York pencil. I always get this pencil from a hair store. It's really cheap. I only pay like $5 for it. And I'm just using the spoolie side right now to brush my brows up and kind of start to mold the shape of my brows that I want to use. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes I know in this step, some people who may have bushier brows than me may use something like Got To Be gel to smooth their brows down, but I don't really have that issue, so that's all I pretty much do for that. And so then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going in to start to shape my brows with my pencil. Okay, as you can see, I'm going in very lightly. I like to start at the bottom and kind of create that line, and I do the same thing at the top before I begin to fill my brows in by following the stroke of my brow when I fill them in. If you would like a more in-depth tutorial about that, be sure to check out my other brow tutorials about how I fill in my brows. But I like to do this before I go in with the colored pencil because it allows me to go ahead and create the shape of my brow. You guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my red pencil. This is a regular LA Girl pencil I got from the hair store. It was $1.99. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just going over the sections in which I use my Absolute brow pencil to color over my brows. Okay, I'm literally just coloring over them, and then I'm gonna use my spoolie on my other pencil to kind of buff it out a little bit in areas that I may have colored in too dark, as well as that also helps when I'm trying to keep that like ombre effect going at the front of my brows. And so that is literally all I'm doing for my brows. So this is the very last step. Now we're gonna blend in that concealer with our skin, okay? So what I just sprayed some finishing spray. You can definitely use water, but I just like to use my finishing spray. It gives it, wets the beauty sponge a little bit, which helps me blend things into my skin. And that is literally all I'm doing to get a natural look. So if you didn't want to put any other makeup outside of this, you can just do your brows, blend it in, and you be ready to go, okay? And so this is literally all I do, you guys. So you're just going to watch me blend the rest of this in. And I'm liking the way the brows, my brows are looking right now. I know if you followed this tutorial, you guys, y'all's brows is popping. They got some color to them, a little pizzazz. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. This is really quick and simple, and hopefully you guys thought it was really easy. And I hope you guys are going to be wearing your colored brows now. Definitely try out some colors. I'll definitely be trying out some other colors whenever I probably like change my hair. So I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye.